Guys, we got a nice Magnum in here. Got blue flames on it. We'll show it to you guys. And then black with black wheels. It's a Hemi, so it's a 5.7 Hemi. Got some nice fat wheels on it. You just put them on, you can still see the sticker. What we got done on it. Factory converter there. Factory converter there. Factory X pipe. Then we put two FLOWMASTER Super 10s. Part number 842518. 842518. Right there. And right there. There'll be a link in the description for it. There they are on this side, as you guys can see. Came out really nice, really clean. Then we did a rear resonator delete on it also. There and there. And put rolled 4-inch tips out the back to complete the black tip look. Or the murdered out look, I mean. There and there. There's the rears that were on it, right there. There's the mid that was on it, that we took off. Mid muffler, rear resonators, chrome tip. Took it all off, cleaned it up for him, made it, so give it that deep tone that he's looking for. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. 2006 Dodge Magnum 345 Hemi. Really sexy car. What we got done on this beast: factory converter there and there, factory X pipe there. Then we put two glass packs on it, one on each side, right there, AP glass packs. There will be a link in the description. They're 12 inches long by 2.5 in, 2.5 out, or 2.25 in, 2.25 out. Then it's 2.25 out the back on this side and on this side, and two 4-inch tips out the back to complete the look, as you guys can see. Right there, Dodge Magnum RT. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And this is what we cut off. This is the muffler that comes in the middle. And these are the two resonators that are in the back that we took off. And replaced with glass packs and everything else. And you guys can see it's a graveyard of mufflers all the way around. Anyways, we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Yeah, that's you, man. FLOWMASTER gives it a distinctive sound. Your sound decibels. It's an 05 Magnum, guys, Hemi. Sitting up little by little. He's going to paint it next. Black flames on it, black and blue. Check it out. Custom hood. What do you guys think? FLOWMASTER Super 10 sound. That sounds so good. What you guys hear on this? If you guys need mobile detailing in the Nashville area, hit him up. There it is. All right, go ahead. Yeah, much better. Again. Your sound decibels. Right at 110. Again. That sounds mean. Go ahead and back it out. Nicely done at Exhaust Addicts. It's clean too. It's really nicely done. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Magnum custom hood scoops, HEMI 5.7, FLOWMASTer Super 10. Really nice car. I like it. What do you guys think? You like it? Yeah. It's clean. FLOWMASTer Super 10 mids, rear delete, 4-inch tips. It sounds beautiful. Those FLOWMASTers never disappoint, guys. HEMI, baby. Enjoy, guys. Dodge Magnum, glass backs, and rear delete, and 4-inch tips. Give it the exhaust addict's touch. Perfect. Enjoy, guys.